G'day folks, this is Lab Cook Foodie here. I have a viewer on my channel and he said, "Hi, can you do a test for me? Connect headphones or monitors to the master output of the TRM-222. Set the headphones to master mode, no signal. Turn the master or headphone volume up full. Turn on the filter, set the filter mode to HF. Turn the frequency knob down, adjust the resonance knob. Is there a loud crackling, rustling noise at the output? Is it in both channels?" So I go, okay, I'll come and figure it out. So this is what he's saying, that when you turn to full volume, split, turn all the way to master, engage. First thing to look out for is the common complaint of this mixer is when you engage channel 1 and 2, the HP and LP or the filters, basically there's a audible pop. So far I've not met that, although this is pre-owned. I bought this from a guy and he did say that there is an audible pop, but for some reason in my rig at the moment I'm not even hearing anything like that. Knock on wood. But I won't be surprised later on it develops the pop sound. So if that's the case, I'll probably just ending up engaging the system anyway. But nonetheless, if the pop sound do occur, you should hear it through the studio monitors anyway. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going with this and see what it says. Right, I'm just going to go back to my Serato interface. Currently I don't have a really good way of doing this, unfortunately. Right, cool. Probably better to use a controller to do this, but nonetheless this is what that's for. But I haven't mini map it to Serato, so I can't really use it at the moment. Right, so let's keep going with the music. Alright, so currently I have the line channel set on full, which you don't do anyway. This is to masters, that's all the way up. Under split Q, it's both on Q at the moment. But I'm not really playing anything here, so I'll shut that one. Right. Okay, I'm not hearing any weird popping sound. See, I'll keep doing this, I'm not hearing it. It's on full, these two are all on full. Okay, again, let's get rid of that. No. If you hear any audible pop sound, you should hear it by now. Okay, let's leave it engaged. I can see on my live mixer every time I'm doing this, there's sometimes there's a spike beyond 0 dB, but that's about it. It's not going into red, so that's fine. Alright. I'm not hearing any crackling sound. That's a headphone. That's the sound from the headphone. So that's a low pass filter. I currently have the headphone right next to the microphone, the shotgun microphone, so hopefully I'm recording that from the sound. So that's high pass filter. Okay, so not only don't I have the pop sound, I don't believe I'm hearing any crackly noise when I'm messing about the engage and the HP. Okay, so cassette, I'll go on to the one side. Alright, so let me just go on to the other side and switch to HP. No. Okay, go to the other side. Okay, engage, disengage. No audible pop. No, that's not it anyway. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. I'll see you next time.